In North America, 45% of the population suffers from some form of allergy symptoms brought on by airborne pollution. Recently, a growing number of new and virulent germs and viruses have spread through our environment. The deadly outbreaks brought on by these microorganisms have created a greater awareness of the air quality inside our homes and the germs and viruses we all breathe every day. Now, there is a simple and effective answer to controlling germs and viruses in the home. Miracle Mate is proud to present the Blue Light Ultraviolet Extra Intelligent Filter, the XIF. The secret of the XIF is a patented ultraviolet technology. Ultraviolet germicidal lamps have been used for years in hospitals to sterilize equipment and operating rooms. The food industry uses UV to kill the E. coli bacteria. And more communities are turning to ultraviolet technology to purify public drinking water supplies. Scientists are also excited about the potential of ultraviolet to sterilize blood products. Ultraviolet rays work by destroying the DNA of microorganisms, rendering them harmless. Up until now, commercial UV units have been too large and expensive for home use. That has all changed with the compact and easy-to-use XIF. This superior air purification system attaches quickly and easily to the top of the Miracle Mate home cleaning system. When the Miracle Mate is switched on, it draws air into the XIF unit. The air passes into a chamber containing a powerful double ultraviolet germicidal bulb made by Philips. Inside the XIF are a series of specially designed baffles that slow the airflow and direct it around the bulb. This means the air spends the most time possible in contact with the ultraviolet rays. As well, the unit contains a reflective chamber made of an anodized aluminum material that is 28% more reflective than polished chrome. This means that the effects of the UV rays are multiplied for maximum purifying effectiveness. Clean, germ-free air flows out of the XIF and back into the room. Airborne viruses, germs, and bacteria that come in contact with its ultraviolet germicidal lamp are killed by the Blue Light XIF. You know it's working when you see the blue light in the indicator opening. Miracle Mate is the first company in the world to combine UV and air filtration technology for household use. This simple-to-use, effective product is like no other in the industry. The XIF is unique. And because it's compact and portable, you don't have to buy a purifier for each room in your house. Simply move it around for safe and effective air purification. Breathe easier. Live healthier with the new Blue Light Ultraviolet Extra Intelligent Filter from Miracle Mate.